Hey everyone, it's Julia with Wig Review Central YouTube. I am back with the Uniwigs Clear REMY Human Hair Topper. I did the review on this hair topper, which you can watch. I have left a link to that review in the video description box under this video. Clear is a 14-inch REMY Human Hair Topper. You can get Clear in several different lengths, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. I have this hair topper in the 120% density. You can also choose 130% density. This topper can come with bangs, or you can choose no bangs, which is what I did. I do not have bangs. This topper is a 5.5 inch by 5.5 inch base. It has a monofilament top, so you can part this topper left, center, or right. It has a beautiful sheer lace front that's very well done, and 4 pressure-sensitive clips to make sure that you have a secure and comfortable fit. Because it is human hair, you can treat it like your own hair and heat style it. If you are going to add curls or waves to your human hair topper, you'll want to make sure to style your own hair underneath so that it blends flawlessly. I am using a curling iron that's 300 degrees. I have gone ahead and styled my own hair. I want to make sure that the lace front is at my hairline, and I take the first 2 pressure-sensitive clips and clip those in place. And then the 2 in the back, I position at the crown and clip those into place. Fast and easy. I'm really enjoying this topper. The REMY Human Hair is just the finest quality. It is so silky soft, and yet it takes curl wonderfully. And now I'm curling the other side. The curling iron is on 300 degrees. And notice I don't hold it too long. Just want to make sure I get the curl set. Now I am curling the back portion. I've completed styling Clear. As you can see, I've added waves all around, and I really like this spiral wave pattern. Look how beautifully blended the waves are with the wave pattern that I placed in my own hair. Just beautiful. You don't have to worry about your hair topper slipping, sliding, or separating from your hair. The 4 pressure-sensitive clips are very secure and comfortable to wear. But if you would like a little added security, I use Got to Be Glued spiking gel, which is a very strong adhesive. You can purchase this at Walmart, CVS, Walgreens. It costs about $4 for this big tube, so it's affordable. You put some on your finger and you can spread it along your hairline, underneath the lace front, and you can hold it like this for a minute or two, or many people like to use a blow dryer to dry it, and then it will be adhered until you remove it with a little bit of soap and warm water. If you sweat, you will have to reapply. If you would like to shop colors or purchase Claire, I have left a link in the video description box under this video where you can click and shop at Uniwigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my heat styling video of this gorgeous human hair topper. Take care. Bye-bye.